Hey everyone, welcome back to the very last video of this quick instruction series. Oh yeah, we made it. Today we are tackling something super fun, the sails of your ship model. Now if you want your sails to look all fancy and aged, you can color them. For this build, I went to full pirate and used red fabric dye. The secret sauce here is to stir that dye bath real good, then dunk the sailcloth in like it's going for a swim. Once it's all dyed and dried, I usually iron it flat. Who knew model building involved laundry? Then I trace the sail pattern onto the cloth. I don't have a fancy light box, a drawing table, or anything like that. But guess what? A window on a sunny day works just like magic. Now for the fun part. I love adding stitch details to the sails with my sewing machine. It makes them look extra real, like them could actually catch wind. But if you don't have a sewing machine, no worries. Drawing neat lines with the pencil on both sides works great too. Just don't sneeze while doing it. And when it's time to attach the boat robe around the edge of the sail, I have found Tacky Glue is the MVP. It dries clear, stays flexible, and sticks fabric like a champ. After that, I go with the zigzag stitch to lock the boat rope in place. Boom! Solid, looks great, sail is basically ready to fly. Next up, reefing lines. Okay, for honesty, I cheat. I just tie a knot at one of the thread, cut it to size, and glue it right onto the sail using the 1-to-1 ship plan as a guide. Simple, fast, zero shame. Before adding all the little sail blocks, I punch the holes first using a hole puncher. It keeps things looking clean and tidy. If you are looking for a good punch set, I linked the one in the description below, because sharing is caring. Alright, now for the big moment. The sails go on the ship. A lot of folks say this is one of the trickiest steps. And yeah, it can be, unless you channel your inner sea captain and study your ship plan like it's a treasure map. Over the years, I have found the secret sauce is getting the order right. Always start with the biggest and the lowest sails. Then work your way up to the tiny ones on top, kind of like putting on pants before a hat. Also pro tip, sewing threaders and clips are lifesavers here. Seriously, if you're not using them, you're just making life harder. Now if you want to mimic coil rope, here's the trick. Make a coil on masking tape. Hit it with the jewelry glue. Let it dry and boom, you have got yourself a neat little rope donut. For belaying ropes, I use a homemade jig. It's basically just a wood block with 2 lines of tiny nails. wrap the thread around them, glue it up, let it dry, snip off the extra, and tada! You have got a proper shipyard worthy belay. And there you have it. After watching this whole quick instruction series, I think you're officially ready to take on almost any wooden ship model kit out there. If you want more tips, tricks, or just to see me accidentally glue my fingers together, check out the rest of my videos.